Hello guys, this video I'd just like to show you how powerful plasticity is. But real quick guys, I've got two new courses on Udemy. Ultimate Sci-Fi Soldier and Plasticity Modeling Guide. So guys, Plasticity 1.0 is now out. The program is pretty much at a good state. I like using this program guys, it's really fantastic. It's hands down the best 3D modeling program I've ever used. It's fantastic, and this guide will show you how to create this awesome industrial mech. As for the Sci-Fi Soldier, I've got some really good ZBrush hard surface sculpting techniques and then a lot of 3ds Max clean topology. So you get the best of both worlds, guys. Really cool hard surface ZBrush techniques and then all the retopology process in Max. All the Max videos are unsped up and the videos in ZBrush are a little bit sped up. So essentially, guys, the purpose of this one is not to overwhelm you with dozens of hours of content, but just to have really streamlined, just like the best of the best techniques for retopology and sculpting. So guys, check out those courses, links are in the description. Let's continue. So if we create a sphere, for example, and then I can press Shift D to clone that out, and maybe I will Shift D GG to create another one right here. Right, I can now select all this and just press QQ. So I very much like the shortcut system. It's very well thought out. It's just fun, guys. It's just fun to select objects, QQ, right click, confirm that, and bam. Now I can select this and give this some nice large fillets here. So now I can go into the face level, face mode, select this, and simply press D to offset it, and we get this kind of shrinking effect, this growing effect. And look at how it interacts with this fillet as well. So that's really cool, guys. Check this out. So even though you see a lot of people making hard surface shapes with plasticity, it's very good for freeform modeling as well, in ways that, you know, even ZBrush or polygons can't really handle. So don't knock it for some nice soft details as well. We can also press GG just to move that. So I very much like the GG system, just like in Blender. So because a lot of the shortcuts kind of borrow from Blender, this would be very nice for people who are used to Blender. I can select that, GG, move that. As you can see, guys, we can get these kinds of cool, you know, water droplet effects going on here. So it is very powerful. So it is very nice, intuitive workflow. And then you can do a screen space cut, for example. So you can do a plane from camera, and you can just, you know, Shift A, and you can just start creating, you know, a cut around here. Alright, I can then fillet that. And now I can select this, press C for cut, select that right there, right click to confirm that. And just like that, guys, we now have a screen space cut happening here. So it's extremely powerful. And then we can select this, we can press X just to delete that. Now we can even delete these fillets, and we can further, you know, kind of bring back some of that sphere. You can select this, delete that. So we just get this tremendously powerful workflow here, guys. So I definitely hope you consider checking out Plasticity, because it's a very powerful program. Thank you for watching, and take care.